This is box 1 of 4 Topps NBA 25 26 mega boxes. I'm opening this strictly for my personal collection. Oh nice, we've just hit our first Relic card. Let's go. Okay. Got a base, got Jalen Green, Lonzo, Dorian Finney, got Shaq, Danny Wolf, Nolan Traore, Yang Hansen. Oh, we've got a RJ. Nice little silver foil here. Then we've also got, ooh, nice. We've just hit a VJ Edgecombe Clutch City card. Lovely. Nice inset there. Collecting. Keontae George, Nikola Vukovic, and Nicholas Batum. All right. Got Brandon Ingram, Moses Moody. We've got Quentin Grimes, Jeremiah Fears, Ty Jerome, Champions Dual Leads, nice. Capella, Zachary Richache. We've got an Emmanuel Quickly card. Nice, Emmanuel Quickly. Got, ooh, got Colorware, anniversary card. Oh, we've got an 8-bit ballers instead of Dwayne Wade. Collecting. Ozar Thompson, Rui, and Kyle. Alright, we've got 2 inserts though. The first one is Danny Wolf, and we've got Rudy Gobert. Ooh, okay, cool. Got a power play there. We've got Clippers, Tyler Smith, Clay, Tyler Hero, Gigi Jackson, Rick Barry. We've got Spud Webb, Will Riley. What's the card behind? We've got Brandon Przemski. Okay. What is this card behind? Well, first of all, who's this? Oh, power plays of LeBron James. Great, nice, awesome insert. Cool. Cody Williams. Scotty Barnes. And we've got, who's this? Oh. We've got a Franz Wagner card. Ah, nice hit with the LeBron James. VJ, got Dwayne Wade as well, awesome. Players that I do collect. Oh, Stefan Castle, yeah, love him. Young up and coming player, so good. Jordan Poole. Knicks, Chris Middleton, got Dyson Daniels. Noah Essengue. Hugo Gonzalez, Cam Jones, Tyrese Proctor. Oh, actually, let's go to the cards behind first. Oh, Tyrese, base. I love him as well. Collecting. We've got Laurie. Yep, collecting him as well, even though it's base. Carl. Okay, so we've got an insert here, 8-bit ballers of Derek Queen. Oh, yeah. Rookie. Great center. A lot of potential. Okay, so what card is this? Hawks, must be Zachary Richache, I think. What is it? Nice. Okay, so we've got Anthony Black, Jeremy Sohan, Belil Koulibaly, Philly card, Brooke Barnheiser, AI. Oh, nice little AI base right there. Collecting him as well. Got Jaden McDaniels. Kasparis Jokintunis. We've got Russell Westbrook, Keldon Johnson, Wendell Carter Jr. We've got another power play of Jimmy Butler. Nice. Nice little inset there. Alright, we've got another. There's 2 cards. What are these? Oh, nice. Little Anthony Black. Nice little hit right there as well. Nice little card. I love it. And we've got Kawhi Leonard. Okay. Nikola Jokic. Yep. I am collecting him. Got Bucks. Naz Reid. Young teammates. That's fine. We've got Ryan Corkbrenner. Jalen Williams. Derek Lively. We've got Cooper Flag. Nice. Nice little Cooper Flag base there. That's awesome. Collecting him as well. Derek Queen. I am collecting this boy. Love him, but I might check it out later. We've got a Jazz Dance Youthful. We've got Julius Randle. Okay, we've got a Heat Catch Fire. Okay, so got 2 cards here. Noah Essengway, and who is this? John Stockton insert, 8-bit ballers. Nice. All right, let's see the Noah Essengway card. Andrew Nembhard. Got DeMar DeRozan. Jaden Ivey. Jared Vanderbilt. Emmanuel Quickley. Nick Clifford. Micah Peavy. Ooh, Mellow base. Collecting him though. Haven't got any Mellow cards, so that's nice to add to the collection. Bernard King. Alright, let's see what cards do we have from behind. Miles Turner. Yep. Domantas Sabonis. Nice. We've got a Bucks card of AJ Green. Nice. Alright. Bernard King got Manu. Oh, we do have a Generations Now card of who? Oh, Dylan Harper. Lovely. Power plays. So, pretty cool. Okay. So, here's the inserts. Okay. We've got Kawhi Leonard. Kelly. Got Draymond. Jared McCain. Kamin Mulach. Con Canoopal base. Yeah, nice. Nice. Man, even those base cards, these are awesome. Happy with that. Collecting. Yuki. Oh, got a Victor base. Haha, nice. Collecting him as well. Oh, Josh Giddey. I'm collecting this guy. Aussie represent. But I will put him down shortly. Looks like there's an insert behind. Got Devin Booker. Marcus Sasser. Ryan Dunn. Oh, what card is this? Pascal Siakam card. Oh, power play is nice. Little foil there as well. Nice. What card is this? Got Josh Giddey. Who is this? Shaquille O'Neal. Nice. Brandon Miller, Reed Shepherd, collecting him. Nikola Jovic. Got Zach Edey. Paolo Banchero. Oh, let's go from the cards behind. Nice. Oh, SGA. Yeah, I'm collecting him in those base. Baylor Scheiman. We've got a generation now of Ben Saraf. All right. Oh, what card is this? We've got Paolo Banchero. What card is this? Oh, please. Who is this? LA Clippers franchise fabrics. Oh, nice. We've just hit our first Relic card of Yannick Conan Nidhauser. Wow. That's awesome. Jalen Tyson. 8-bit insert of Trey Johnson. Nice. Lucky last pack. It's pretty cool. Jordan Clarkson, Josh Hart, Donovan Clingan, Derek White, CJ, Jarrett Allen, Vika Zubac. All right. For the land, cool. Kishon George. Nice. We've got a power players card. Don't know who, but it's the Clippers. Liam McNeely. Shaz Lanier. Oh, we've got a Dylan Harper card. What card is this? Oh, nice, nice. Nice little Dylan Harper card right there. Collecting. And we've got a Kawhi Leonard power players. So that pretty much brings us to the end of the video. These were some of the highlights from this mega box. Got Cedric Coward, Dylan Harper, VJ, another Dylan Harper card, Victor. We got Con here, awesome. A Cooper flag. Also got this Clutch City of VJ. Generation Now of Dylan Harper. Then we've got LeBron James. And then we've got this bad boy here. This little Relic card. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed the video, please give this video a like. Please subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with my journey. And yeah, until next time.